One of the most important legal services that sports teams require is contract negotiations. Sports teams have to negotiate contracts with a wide range of parties, including players, coaches, broadcasters, and sponsors. These contracts can be complex and require a high level of legal expertise to ensure that the team's interests are protected. Sports teams often hire experienced sports attorneys to handle contract negotiations. These attorneys have a deep understanding of the legal issues involved in sports contracts, as well as the unique dynamics of the sports industry. They can help teams navigate the negotiation process and ensure that contracts are fair and equitable for all parties involved. One of the most important aspects of contract negotiations for sports teams is player contracts. These contracts determine how much players will be paid and the terms of their employment. Sports attorneys can help teams negotiate fair compensation for players, as well as ensure that contracts include appropriate clauses for performance bonuses and other incentives. In addition to player contracts, sports teams also have to negotiate contracts with coaches, broadcasters, and sponsors. These contracts can be just as complex as player contracts and require the same level of legal expertise. Sports attorneys can help teams negotiate favorable terms for these contracts and ensure that the team's interests are protected. Overall, contract negotiations are a critical legal service for sports teams. By hiring experienced sports attorneys, teams can ensure that their contracts are fair and equitable for all parties involved, and that their interests are protected.